Hello everyone, Ulysses Lacson here and welcome to my video. This video is going to be about LiteFinance, a beginner's tutorial on how to get started. I'm going to show you all the steps that you need to go through from account creation to setting up your trading platform and of course to placing your very first trade with LiteFinance. And I don't want to waste your time, so let's go. Alright, so the very first thing that you have to do is you want to make sure that you're on the official website of LiteFinance because there are lots of websites out there, scam websites that are trying to mimic the official website of LiteFinance. And for you to easily do that, you can just click the link in the video description. It should look like this, LiteFinance official website, or check the pin in the comments and you should be routed to the official website where I'm currently at. And by the way, if someone from you guys are here to do, LiteFinance copy trading, I actually have a separate video that will walk you through on how to get started copy trading with LiteFinance, and I'm also going to have the link in the video description. And of course, I'm assuming that you already know what is LiteFinance. It's an online broker. This is where you can trade forex, shares, commodities, and many other tradable assets out there in the market. And this is one of the best brokers out there with very low brokerage fees. And I'm thinking that you already checked some background about this LiteFinance and you're really just here because you need a step-by-step guide that will walk you through the process and how to get started. So let's just go straight with the first step of creating a trading account with LiteFinance. So once you reach the official website, this page right here, what you just need to do is just click this start button right here. And depending on which country you're from, the system should automatically knows that. And you just need to fill out your date of birth right here. And you want to make sure that all the details that you're going to fill out matches to whatever IDs that you have, because later we also need to verify our account by submitting an ID. And it's important that our information that we fill out in these forms right here matches to whatever the information that we have on our identification card. Then just hit continue. And then on this part right here, you just need to fill out your best email and create your password. And you also need to click this checkbox right here to agree client's agreement, and then just hit continue. LiteFinance will send you an email to confirm that the email you're using is active or the right email. So what you just need to do next is just log into your email platform and get the code there. So this is the email and this is the confirmation code right here. And check. Next is you also need to fill out your phone number. This is just a backup just in case you will get the problem with your account in the future. So it's a way of recovering your account. And then LiteFinance should text you a code to again verify your phone number, but I'm just going to skip this step since this is just a tutorial. I'm just going to click verify later. So our account registration is now complete. The next thing that we're going to do is we need to also verify our account. So the next thing that you should do before doing any transactions or trading using your newly created trading account with LiteFinance is to verify your account. And to do that, you just need to make sure that you're on the trade tab, and then you should see your account email here in the top right, and just click this drop down right here. And if you're using a mobile, just find this option right here, and you should see an option for my profile, and then you will be routed to your profile. And then next thing is just select verification. And as you see here, these are the things that we need to do to verify our account. And first here is we have to submit an ID like a passport, driver's license, and also proof of address. But if your ID also have your address, then you can also just use your ID right here based on my experience. But if things not working, then you can also use your, for example, electric bill or credit card billing statement, something like that as your proof of address. Verifying your account is just a self-explanatory process. You just have to make sure that you have your ID prepared, like again, a driver's license or passport, and then just follow the process. So just click verify and you'll be asked to fill out your name and your gender, date of birth, and then just continue. And on the last part, you need to submit an ID. And I want to also do this with your account, guys, for you to be able to get the lowest brokerage fees with LiteFinance. You have to click this option, Islamic account application. This will not require you any documents. You'll just have to fill out some information and then submit. And your account should be under Islamic account type. And that means your account will not have a swap or the overnight fees that brokers charge on your trading once you leave your trade open overnight. After you submit your documents for KYC, your account should be verified within a day, especially during business days. And by the way, before we proceed, if someone from you guys is from the Philippines, I'd like to invite you guys to watch the video that I have right here, my website, ulyssesLacson.com. I'll have the link in the video description. Just watch this. I got a surprise for you if you are from the Philippines. So this video right here is a Filipino. So if you're not from the Philippines, you don't have to watch this video. So let's just continue. And once your account is now successfully verified, you can now surf around with your account. And the good thing with LiteFinance, it also have the best strategy providers or master traders if you want to do copy trading. So just go to the tab copy trading. And as you see here, these are the most popular strategies that you can copy inside LiteFinance copy trading. So if you're a busy person and you just want to earn on the side or earn a passive income, then just find your account and start copying these people right here. And LiteFinance user interface is pretty straightforward, like as you see here, the buttons and menus. But before you proceed trading real money, especially if you're a complete beginner, I want you to do demo trading first so that you can practice. So to activate your demo trading account, you just have to again go to your profile menus on the top right here. It depends on your device that you're using. Just look for this option right here and then click this drop down, and this is where you can activate the demo trading. And then once you're now ready to trade real money, then you just have to go to finance, and this is where you can find your account. This is where you can manage all your funds. This is where you can do withdrawals, internal transfer if you have multiple accounts. And by the way, if you want to also add more trading account, you can also do that right here on MetaTrader tab. And just click this button right here if you want to again open an additional account. So let's just say if you want a different account type like MT5 Classic, then this is where you can open an additional account. Or if you want to change your leverage, something like that, this is where you can do that. And these are the login details for your trading platform, MetaTrader, if you want to use MetaTrader. And then by default, all the passwords here are the password that you created during your account registration. So I'm going to show you later how you can log into your trading platform. But the good thing about LiteFinance is you can actually just use their trading platform inside your account. As you see here, you just need to find your the trading pairs that you want to trade. So let's just say example, if you want to trade currencies or forex, this is the tab that you can find that. For example, Euro USD. And this is the trading chart. You can do full screen depending on your strategy. There's lots of tools that you can use right here. Let's just say if you're going to use trend line, you also have a brush right here on the Fibonacci channels. And this is actually one of the things that I like about LiteFinance, aside from having a lower brokerage fees. Unlike other brokers that you still need to use third-party charting tools like TradingView, but with LiteFinance, you can just do that inside your account. And today is Sunday, that's why the market is closed as of the moment. But once your account is successfully verified and the market is open, so this is where you can set up your trade, like put your lot size and then your stop loss and take profit. We're just going to create a separate video that will discuss solely just about the charting of LiteFinance. The purpose of this video is really just how the process of creating an account with LiteFinance. You can also just surf around right here. LiteFinance also provide educational resources that you can have for free. So they have lessons and webinars. Also, if you want to check some terms that's not familiar to you, so you can just go to glossary. And again, you can just surf around your account once your account is ready and successfully verified. But the next thing that I'm going to show you is how you can log into your trading platform if you don't prefer to just use the trading platform or the charting tools that LiteFinance have right here. So if you want to use MetaTrader, like let's just say if you want to use MetaTrader in your mobile phone, just so you can, check your trades anytime and anywhere. So you want to log in to your MetaTrader. And to do that, just have to make sure that you are downloading the exact trading platform. So since I'm having here MT5 or MetaTrader 5, so I have to download MetaTrader 5 on my mobile, for example. And then once you log in to your MetaTrader 5 for the very first time, it will ask you to or just find the option there to add an account. And then on the search bar, just search this server right here. You should be able to see this option. Just click and it should be added to your server. And then just put this account number on your login and then your password. It should be the trader's password if you set a different password with your trading password, because the investor password, you will not be able to place a trade on your MetaTrader if you're going to use the investor password. So it should be the trader's password. It will take us some time if I'm going to include the tutorial on how to use the MetaTrader 5 here in this video. So I'm just going to have a separate link in the video description if you want a guide on how to use the MetaTrader 5. And I guess that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and good luck.